In this video, you can get the full guidance of DaVinci Resolve 20. First, we have to go to their website blackmagicdesign.com. So this is the website of there. So you have to click on the products, scroll down until you see the DaVinci Resolve software. Like you can see there is two software. One is DaVinci Resolve, that is actually free, and the other one is DaVinci Resolve Studio. So I use Studio, so I brought this for $290, $295. So if you are new, so I'll prefer to use DaVinci Resolve free version, and if you want to DaVinci Resolve Studio version, you can check this video. I am giving away one DaVinci Resolve Studio version license. Click on the DaVinci Resolve free, then free download now. Then you can select, if you I am on Windows, if you are on a Mac or Linux, so you can go there. So I have to go to the Windows. So first of all, you have the first name, last name, company name, email name, phone number, and your country code. Submit all this information, then register and download. It will automatically download here. So I have already downloaded. Let me open the DaVinci Resolve. So on your DaVinci Resolve, you can't see anything like this. On there you can see the untitled project one. So you can double click here or click a new project here, and project name like guide. So you can change the location. So you can see the interface looks so messy, but if you give some time, you will see that this is the most easiest software you will ever use. You can see there is one video, but you cannot see it on here, like on the cut page and edit page, but you can see there is the same video here and here. So this is the master, where is your media folder. All the video will be here. If you drag and drop, it will bring a thumbnail here. So this is not the way you have to make a thumbnail here. So I delete it, and the timeline also. So how can you create a timeline? So if you right click here and click timelines, create new timelines, and timeline named like burning city. If you now create the timeline, it will actually do the same timeline, just the name was changed on the first timeline we create. So what can we do to make extra changes to our timeline? You can see there is a mark here. So if you uncheck it and go to the format, you can see you can select any resolution here, 8K resolution or 4K resolution. I am using studio version, that's why I can use all the resolution. So there are some limited to the free version, and you can change that FPS. Like I want to make this timeline if 30, so you can change here, and you can 60, 90, 120. There are so much more. So let's create the timeline here. So you can see it create in timeline, but there is no video, so we have to drag the video here like this. So this is the video. So this video is made on DaVinci Resolve. When I was using free version, this video I create. So you can create this kind of video in the free version. The difference between the paid version and the free version is DaVinci Resolve free version have almost 90% of the features that included in DaVinci Resolve Studio. So first of all, this is the timeline here. You can check all the timeline here. So this is the cut tab. If you want to make a cut like here, so you can cut here. One is you can drag the red line here and other ways you can track the video here, move like this, holding the left click button. So we have to make another cut. So this is the beginner guide, so you don't have to pressure on the how we cut this video. This is keyboard shortcut, you can learn it easily on the future, and on the upcoming videos I will make a video on all kind of key shortcuts. So, and this is the edit tab. So this is the main part where you can change, like if you bring, there are so many effects. So you can see this is the media pool and this is the effect tab, and you can see there are so many point here, what like diamond. So what are these? This is actually keyframe. So if we like, you don't have to think about it, we'll learn it further on the next videos. So let me show first keyframing. So you can see there's two keyframe, so like this. So I slightly move this, so you can see this zoom button, and like on here you can drag this and make it even out. You can see there is slightly change here. This is the work, you can keyframe it and smooth out the keyframes. And there is a fusion tab where you can do so much thing, and this is the best part for VFX and color correct and so much more. There you can see there is so much thing node here, and the video you are seeing, this video I edited on this tab. This is something hard, so you need to learn the edit tab, then we will gonna shift to the fusion tab to learn about it. And the lastly there is the color tab. If you don't know, but DaVinci Resolve is the best for color grading and color correction. So you can see there are so much option here. There are so much option here to make your video shine. You can see there is so much option. So this is the color tab, and lastly this is the Fairlight, where you can twist around your VFX, your noise cancellation. There are so many AI tools here, and all the video and the edit tab and the fusion tab, there are so much AI tabs here. Lastly there is an deliver tab where you can export your videos, like you have to name it like city with fire, city on fire, right? So you have to make an location. So let me fix the video format. You can choose from here. There is MP4, there is QuickTime. You can see there are so much option here. So let me check it. And you can change also the resolution. You can find some issue over here if you change the time resolution, and you cannot change the frame rate here. Once you edit it on the timeline, and you cannot change the frame rate. If you mistakenly edit your videos on the wrong FPS, that can be fixed by one hack. So we will learn about the next video. So this is the video of DaVinci Resolve guideline. We learned how to download it, we learned about the media pool, how to import a video, we learned about how to make a timeline and how to make a cut, and learn about the two tabs that is very important and complex. One is fusion tab and another is color tab. And lastly we learn about two things. One is Fairlight, where you can twist around the sound effects and make any changes. You can change, clone, make your own voice by this. And lastly we have learned delivery tab where we can export the videos and render with the videos. So when all the settings you have done with your render profile, so add to the render queue. The video is not render yet because when we click add the render queue, you can see there is something on here that is named render queue. And the thing is, when we click here and this will bring a one render queue here, then you can select and render it. Now the video is rendered and you can watch it. Open file manager, sorry, open file location. The video is here and you can watch it. The video is done. So this is for today. So if you learned something from me, please do a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. If you need a free course beginner to professional level or advanced level, so drop me a comment and make sure that this video gets 50 likes.